Elena's dress.
Elena, Elena.
Come here. I found super place-up. Yeah. Look at this, guys. It's a color design your own, one kind of kind charm bracelet. Wow, so you can look, so it's like you're from the Isle of the Lost. Addison, look! Addison, they have dog! Whoa, guys, this is Beauty and the Beast Belle's library. Wow, this is so cool. Let's pick my size. I want this for Christmas. The Star Wars, you have mine. I'm picking this now. This is a bunch of... Yeah, you're fine. It's not wrong.
You can try to get.
Thank you. Now please take me to where we need to go.
Nope.
Oh! Hide search. I want this. Please listen on. I want this. Oh, put it back. Put it back, yes. Safe. We buy it. Yep. I'm so excited!
This is perfect.
Well, are you guys happy with what you got?
Yeah. I got Peyton.
All right.
I got this bell. Wait, where's
Yeah.
library?
Awesome. Well, we'll show it when we get home.
Guys, look what we got! I got Peyton. It's 3 different sound effects.
It's nice being a bear, especially a bear called Paddington.
And I got this Lego Friends. It's not damaged, it's damaged up here. And it has 402 pieces. But look, I have the other set that would go with this. So this one comes with Andrea and Amy. Okay, Payne, do you want to open yours first? Yeah, no, wait. Talk first.
I'm a very rare sort of bear. It's
Aww.
nice being a bear, especially a bear called Paddington.
It says, please look after this bear. Thank you. We've watched both Paddingtons, the first one and the second one. Tell us in the comments below, which one you like better one? I like both. I like second one. We love Paddington, especially marmalade sandwiches.
Bears like marmalade.
Okay, now let's get into mine. Whoa! The other one doesn't even come with a pet. And it doesn't come with this thing. Oh, there's some more. That's not 4? Gee. It's going to take me a long time to build this. Look at this book. It's so thick. So this is package 1. It looks like it comes with all the parts. Oh, look. Here's the cute little fox. I'll show you whenever I open the stack. But here's also the cute little fox. Another one only comes with squirrels. And the second bag is a bit bigger. And the third bag is smaller than the second one. Looks like we made big progress. And then the fourth bag. my 2 platforms, and my stairs. So, once again, guys, whenever I'm done with this, I'll put a picture on Instagram. Make sure you check out our Instagram. See you next time with Adventures with A and P. Bye.